everyone, this is Tazb78. Welcome to the 2011-12 SPX box break. Here is the list of winners. I kept myself 2 teams in this break. Hopefully you guys don't mind. So let's get this started. Serial number. No, it's not that obvious. I'm sorry. We've got NE95731050. Let's see if it's a little better. I believe it's a little better, but so let's get this going. Good luck, everybody. Ice pack right here. Empty box. And do it. Okay, so we got a base card. We got a finite for Phoenix Coyotes. And the Miele. Phoenix. Spacer. Base and base. Base card. Base. We got a rookie for the Avalanche. It is Stephen Elliott, not numbered. So Colorado Avalanche. Spacer. And a base. Base card, base, spacer, base and base. Base, base, spacer, base and base. Base, base, spacer, base and base. There's way too many bases in these SPX backs. So we got base and a base, spacer, 2 more bases. Base, base, spacer, base and base. Base, base, spacer, 2 more bases. Base, base, spacer, another 2 bases. base, base, spacer, and 2 more bases. Base, base, spacer, base and base. Base, base, spacer, base and base. John, there's 7 hits per boxes. We have 2, so there's at least 5, or hopefully 5 remaining in 6 packs. Base, base, spacer, base and base. 4 packs to go. We've got something in this one. Back base, 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 base. Well, Adam Henrique, rookie autographed out of $7.99. New Jersey Devils. Well, so we got a base, 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 and for the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie materials, Matt Fratton, not numbered. 3 packs to go. Base, Legends of Hockey from Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Roy. This is Montreal. Spacer, base and base. 2 packs to go plus the bonus pack. So we got a base, 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 and winning combos for the Calgary Flames, Jerome Iginla and Mikhail Kiprasov. Let's see if I was right. There's 6 hits. In this one, yes there is, so I was right. So we've got a base card, base, and the final hit goes to Boston Bruins, winning materials, Tyler Seguin. And the bonus pack, and then base, 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 and Nashville Predators out of 1999, Ryan Ellis. There you go. So that's it for this box. Guys, I've got a case break coming up on Friday of Panini Certified. I welcome you to bid on it. And there's also a new format that I'm trying, as opposed to auction, doing it as a fixed price. It's ending in 3 days, but if as soon as they're all sold, the teams, I will do the break. So check it out at my eBay store, and feel free to bid for it or to pick up some teams. Thank you.